Today we're talking about technology aimed to help men with a serious issue. Stephanie and Dustin Wolf, the co-inventors of the world's first clinically tested home-use Shockwave device to treat erectile dysfunction and cellulite. It's called the Rocket. Guys, thanks for being with us here this morning.
Yeah,
thanks for having us.
What is the Rocket? I mean, this is what we're looking at right here.
This
but
is
what
it. This is the Rocket. So the Rocket works on the principle of low-intensity sound wave therapy, which has actually been around in Europe for about 25 years. It's very effective. It's safe, and the technology is FDA recognized. So what it does is it does two things. It breaks up plaque in the blood vessels, which is what causes erectile dysfunction or issues in the bedroom, and it also fosters angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels. Because as men age, the blood vessels tend to weaken, and then things don't work like
the way they're supposed to.
Yes,
sure.
of course, yes. So, but the biggest challenge up to this point has been it's very expensive, and there are clinics all over the world that use high-end medical-grade devices, but a series of treatments can go anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, and that's why Stephanie and I invented the Rocket, because it's extremely expensive, which eliminates 99% of the men out there, so they can't get the treatment.
So this is something that you can get that same type of treatment, but you can do it yourself at home.
Exactly, and it removes the shame and embarrassment factor. It's cost effective, and it gives everyone the opportunity, because again, even if you can afford this type of treatment in a clinic like we own in LA, you might not live near one, right? What if it's hundreds of miles away, because it's a series of treatments?
Now I understand it's not just for erectile dysfunction, this also does something that helps women too.
Exactly, so it also will remove cellulite. Remember, this is breaking up scar tissue, plaque buildup, as well as bringing new blood vessel formation. And so with the cellulite, it really is scar tissue, and you're not feeding that tissue anymore. So what I'll hear from my patients in the clinic is, maybe they have saddlebags and they feel like the saddlebags aren't part of their body. And then once they start treatment, they now feel that there is blood supply and the tissue is more pliable. So it's really breaking up that scar tissue.
What's interesting, you could take the same technology and treat two different things, completely different things.
Completely different things, yeah. And the biggest thing that we get a lot of satisfaction out of in the clinic, and pushing this out to the world, is the fact that we're helping relationships, right? Because we get guys that come in with their spouses all the time, or their partners, and they're just completely distraught, and it's really affecting their marriages or their partnerships. And this really helps. I mean,
we actually have women calling in for their husbands.
Yeah, I imagine.
Yeah.
They're like, he needs help.
Like,
okay, well, we can help.
Some help.
And then 99% of the time, they're like, oh, I can't afford that. Yeah. Which is again why we invented the Rocket.
So.
And of course, if you want to get more information, where they find it online, guys?
Oh, they can go to getmyrocket.com.
There you go.
Right.
Get that help you need for whatever ailment you've got right there.
Right here.
Talking to the co-inventors of the Rocket, Stephanie and Dustin Wolf. Guys, thanks for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for having us.
You betcha.